What if cancer didn't just mutate genes, but actually duplicated or deleted entire sections of DNA? This is exactly what happens with copy number alterations, one of the most powerful forces driving tumor growth. And once you understand this, you'll see how cancer rewires itself to survive, grow, and resist treatment. Copy number alterations, or CNAs, happen when cancer cells gain or lose large chunks of DNA. Instead of having the normal 2 copies of a gene, cancer cells might have 5, 10, or even 0. These changes don't just tweak the system, they completely reshape how the cell behaves. Let's start with gene amplification. This is when cancer cells make extra copies of genes that promote growth called oncogenes. Think of it like flooring the gas pedal. Genes like MYC, HER2, and EGFR can be amplified, causing non-stop signals for the cell to grow and divide. No off switch. No control. This leads to rapid tumor expansion and aggressive behavior. Now the opposite, gene deletion. Cancer can remove tumor suppressor genes, the ones that normally keep cells in check. Genes like TP53, PTEN, and RB1 act like brakes. When they're deleted, the brakes are gone. The cell no longer repairs DNA properly, doesn't stop dividing, and doesn't trigger apoptosis when something goes wrong. Here's where it gets even more important. These DNA changes don't just affect growth, they reshape metabolism. Cancer cells with CNAs increase glucose uptake, boost glycolysis, alter mitochondrial function. This supports rapid energy production and biomass creation. It's one reason tumors consume so much fuel. Cancer cells also live under constant oxidative stress. They produce high levels of reactive oxygen species, or ROS. CNAs help them survive this environment by amplifying antioxidant systems, adapting mitochondrial function, increasing repair pathways. It is a fragile balance. Just enough stress to drive growth, but not enough to kill the cell. This is why CNAs matter so much for treatment. They can make tumors more aggressive, increase resistance to therapy, create multiple survival pathways. Even if one pathway is blocked, others may already be amplified and ready to take over. That's why some cancers come back stronger. But here's the opportunity. These changes create weaknesses, high energy demand, high oxidative stress, heavy reliance on specific pathways. And those vulnerabilities can be targeted. Understanding copy number alterations is key to understanding how cancer survives and how to fight it.